Want some easy makeup for a lazy Halloween? Come on, let's make up for lost time.
Hey, I'm maybe Burke and you're watching Makeup for Lost Time. This is my series for trans women and other people who feel like they missed a few classes when it came to learning about makeup.
Now, I wouldn't necessarily do all of these at the same time, although this is kind of a look. Maybe now I would. But today we're gonna look at how we do this Spiderweb eyeliner. For both of the eye looks, I'm gonna start with a basic wing, and we've already done a step-by-step tutorial on that, so if you want that, go find it, or I'll link it. I don't know how to do that, but I'll try. And so for the spiderweb, we're gonna extend this one a little bit longer, but keeping a nice thin line. I'm using the eyeliner I talked about in that eyeliner tutorial from Rare Beauty. Because it has such a fine tip, I can really make the thin lines I'm gonna want. And we're gonna pull two other lines straight out from there. One slanting slightly down, and then one going not straight down, but mostly down on an angle. Just 3 lines. The spacing of them isn't super important, but making sure we have enough space to go in and actually make the web effect. And then once we have the 3 lines mapped out, we're just gonna go in with a little C, and then a bigger C, connecting each of the lines. So I have the little C's closest to the eye, and then a little bit further from the eye, we're gonna go in with a bigger C, and that's what's really gonna give us this spiderweb effect. Now my bigger C's are a little bigger than I was expecting, so I'm just gonna actually extend the lines that I originally drew so that they still go a little bit further past where the C's end. And that's also helping me to sharpen and define the lines. The fun thing with the spiderweb is I actually think it's okay if your hand's a little shaky and the line isn't perfect. Because like it's a spider web, it's meant to be like stringy. And if you're like me, as I smile and move my face, mine is gonna move around. And this is a really easy thing that you can recreate this on both sides and just do this if you just want something simple and like a little bit in season. But next week we'll go and do the bat eye that you saw on the other side so that you have some options for your Halloween. Let me know if you give this a try and stick around as we make up for lost time.